Don't take it.
Don't take Tylenol? No problem. What you should take is this house in Windsor Park.
Don't take it.
Don't take pills. Take this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom turnkey home instead.
Don't take it.
Don't take outdated cabinets. Take this modern kitchen. Great for family dinners and those midnight snacks.
And if you can't tough it out, you just can't do it. You have to take one. Take this one with a full finished basement.
Effective immediately, Realtors would like to notify you that the use of the it's a sunroom. Sunroom can cause an increased risk of joy and happiness.
Don't take it.
Don't take stress. Take a fully finished home that's move-in ready. All you gotta do is bring your furniture and pop that bottle of champagne.
Don't take it.
Don't take backyard headaches. Take backyard paradise, where you can float your worries away all summer long. So don't take bad advice, and instead, take the keys to this Windsor Park beauty.